The firefish. The most beautiful fish specimen on this list is the firefish goby. This little fish is just around 3 inches in size and is found all across the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It's a long and slender fish with a yellow-colored face, white front, and a red rear. The fins are highlighted in black as a signal to other fishes. It is omnivorous as well and eats shrimps and brines mostly. Its average life expectancy is around 3 years old. Bubble-eyed goldfish. Different and queer, but one of the cutest fish species in the world is the bubble-eyed goldfish. This beautiful little fish is around 3 to 4 inches in length and traced to its origin in China. It has upward-pointing eyes with 2 sacs beneath them. These sacs are filled with fluids and are the reason for the name of this fish. It lacks dorsal and is a poor swimmer because of the hindrance caused by the continuous jiggling of the sacs. It can lay more than 1,000 eggs at a time and is one of the most populous fish species in the world. The panda oranda goldfish. A variation of the oranda goldfish, the panda oranda goldfish is a fish species found in China. This beautiful fish can be easily distinguished because of its beautiful long veiled tail, along with its black and white coloration. It is around 3 to 3.5 inches in length and is mostly found in areas like China and Japan. It is omnivorous by nature and eats all types of dried and live foods. Yellow lab cichlids. Yellow lab cichlids, also known as the electric yellow cichlid, is one of the most beautiful fish species in the world. It's found around the western coasts of Lake Malawi and is one of the most popular cichlid species of all time. It is a small-sized fish with its length around 5 to 6 inches. The yellow morph is just one variety of the fish, and dozens of other morphs are also available. It is a vegetarian fish, and most of its diet is based on plants. Boxfish. An amazing little fish found across the Pacific and Indian Ocean is the boxfish. This beautiful fish is around 18 inches in size and likes to live around the reefs underwater. As the name suggests, they have a box-like shape with an armored and rigid body. Its skin is bright yellow with black dots all over it. With the passage of time, this yellow color fades away, and the dots also turn to be blue. Its main diet consists of marine algae, worms, crustaceans, and small fish. Coral trout. Also known as the leopard coral grouper, the coral trout belongs to the Serindae family of fish. This fish is endemic to the beautiful waters of the Pacific and is mostly found in coral reefs and seas. It's around 14 inches in length and has multiple blue dots all over its body. Its pectoral fin is transparent and it has a distinct blue ring across its eye. It is a carnivorous fish and feeds on crustaceans, ponds, and reef fish. According to recent research, its average lifespan is around 16 years. Ribbon sweetlips. One of the most bizarre yet beautiful living creatures in the world is the ribbon sweetlips. This amazing medium-sized fish belongs to the grunt species and is endemic to the waters of the Indian Ocean and Western Pacific Ocean. The whole body is covered with bright yellow, black, orange, and white horizontal stripes from head to tail, and is the cause of its ribbon-like appearance. It can grow up to 14 to 16 inches in length and are found at a depth of 5 to 40 meters in the ocean. They are carnivorous and feed on crabs, shrimps, and snails. Panther grouper. Also known as the humpback grouper, the panther grouper is a deep water fish which belongs to the grouper family. It is widespread in the tropical waters across the Indo-West Pacific Ocean and is endemic to the areas around the clear waters like lagoons and seaward reefs. It is a medium-sized fish and can grow up to 28 inches in length. It has a concave-shaped body with an elongated snout that gives the reason for its humpback. It has a white-colored skin with black dots all over it and swims continuously with its head down. Barbus fish. Belonging to the fish of the ray-finned fish, Barbus fish is the second most beautiful fish species on this list. It's around 12 inches in length and is found in the southern hemisphere. It's among the most abundant fish species in the world with sightings across all of the biggest continents. It has a thick lower lip with median swollen pads. These two are omnivores and feed on anything edible to eat. Zebra batfish. One of the most amazing colored aquatic organisms in the world is the zebra batfish. This small-sized fish is around 1.5 to 2.5 inches in length and is mainly endemic to the Indo-Pacific Ocean. It has striking black pigmentation with white vertical stripes running down its whole body. It's a very peaceful fish and doesn't mind any human interaction. That's why it's one of the most famous aquarium fishes in the world. It is carnivorous and eats shrimps, scallops, and brine shrimp as food.